Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to go through Kiwi Yen, really like the potential opportunity of this market. Also going to cover a little bit of the strength and weakness table as I didn't get a chance to do that in yesterday's video. Hopefully the audio is a lot better today. Apologies for that yesterday. I was working on kind of my remote system rather than my at-home system. So hopefully the audio is a lot better. But anyway, so dollar CAD has actually just hit targets. We were in a dollar CAD move, so I'm just going to quickly just take this look at this. We've bought dollar CAD twice. So the first move was down in here off of this high through there. We placed our stop losses below the lows and we targeted just through here, which hit nicely, and we just looked to do the exact same thing again. This time we went a little bit closer to the price action. Instead of buying the high through here, we bought the opens and closes. There was a lot of action going on around that area. We bought that through there, placed our stop losses below the swing lows, targeted up just past the highs through there, which has just came in and hit those targets, which is brilliant to see. Obviously expecting that to continue to kind of roll through, as I'm expecting risk currencies to continue to sort of move lower. The reason I'm expecting those risk currencies to move lower is because of what's happening on the stock markets at the moment. So this is the S&P on the daily time frame. If we went to a weekly time frame, I'm expecting the market to drop a little bit lower into this zone through here. That's going to put pressure on our currencies in terms of our risk currencies. Sorry, I forgot the word then. Our risk currencies. So that's going to be the Australian dollar, Kiwi, CAD. Those are really going to feel the effects of the stock markets moving to the downside. Yen and dollar should gain strength through this sort of period that we're seeing here, with the markets making lower lows and things like that. So if the markets are continuing to do this, what we can expect is a breakdown, continuation, and that kind of leads me on to that Kiwi Yen outlook. And I like this because we're starting to see a bit of a change in cycle on the daily time frame. So it's currently breaking through these lows through here. So if the market was to give us a nice close below that low, I would expect further continuation to the downside. So let's take a little look at this on a lower time frame. So if I just jump into the 4-hour time frame, we can see we've actually had 2 confirmed closes below these lows just through here, which is what I typically like to see. Well, not 2 confirmed just yet, sorry, need another one, but we've had our first sort of confirmed lower low, lower close candlestick. And what I do when I'm looking for those changes in trend, I want to see 2 confirmed lows, because that negates the effects of a potential false breakout and the market moving back to the upside. But looking at this, really great level. If I just pop that there on the daily for a second and go back down to the 4-hour, we can see that the market has found some decent support around this area recently, and even a little bit of resistance just back here. So I'm looking for the potential downside to continue here. Not looking for any kind of dramatic stuff, not looking for any kind of, huge moves to the downside. Just maybe a retest of these kind of lows at the moment, when the market seems to be kind of pushing towards. But that will give us a couple of opportunities on the way down. So if we do get a secondary lower low, lower close candle, or just a close below these lows through here, that will give me the confidence to look for those short opportunities on pullbacks. Okay, so if I actually just bring in the reason as well why we're looking for this in particular, is the fact that just bringing in the strength and weakness table, we can see that the Kiwi remains at +7. Now when I see these things, I'm expecting a potential reversal to those currencies. So we're currently seeing a bit of reversal to the Australian trend, which we spoke about I believe last week. Looking for that to follow through as well, but Kiwi is a good focus point as well. And what I like to do then is, if I'm expecting a reversal on that currency, I'll look for stronger ones to trade it against. So Kiwi dollar's looking pretty good, but Kiwi yen is actually starting to make some potential lower lows just over here, which is even better. Once we get that, look for the pullback, look for the continuation down in line with the potential reversal that we're going to be seeing on Kiwi. So I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching this video update. Hopefully it was better audio and things like that. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Cheers, guys.